You searched for how to buy shares of Huddlestock Fintech AS, a fintech company listed on Euronext under the ticker HUDL.OL. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To trade this stock, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an official ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker HUDL.OL to locate the correct listing. Confirm you have selected Huddlestock Fintech AS on Euronext in the results. Open the asset page to review basic company details and the price chart. Make sure the company description and the HUDL.OL ticker match the stock you want. To place an order, choose the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the platform.